What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community. And on today's episode we're just going to cover Mr. JWW, Tavarish and Dde. So before we jump into it, guys, don't forget to vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year below. And if you like this kind of stuff, do smash the subscribe button. The bigger we get, the closer we get to getting a project car. Also, I will release the winner of the 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year on January 1st, so stay tuned for that. Like squad, all that kind of stuff, and do comment below, guys. It's a discussion channel. I just basically discuss what's going on of the videos I watch that day or the channels I watch. And I have seen that I did piss off one or two people in the comments of my last video about a tall guy. I just don't get people that want to be like that, because they're the ones that are putting out videos in public for everybody to see. So I don't have any supercars where I live, and none of my friends watch the videos I watch, so this is what it's all about. I'm not news, it's just to discuss with you guys in the comments below what's going on. And it was just an observation that tall guy's views were down, he hasn't posted in over a week, and I simply asked him a question to you guys about, do you think there's something going on because of organic and whatever. So some people came in guns blazing, having a clue what they're talking about, because they don't even know what my channel's about. They'll see one video, which is very annoying, but that's their own issue. I mean, we're here to discuss cars, and that's what we're going to do. So guys, as I said, we're going to kick off with, who we kick off with first? We kick off with Dde. So Dde, basically his latest video is just saying about the F12. Aaron Kaufman is still working on it. The twin turbo kit is still being worked on and being set up. I can't remember, because somebody comment below, is this going to be a drift build? I think they're going for 1200 brake horsepower. Somebody let me know in the comments. Are you excited to see this getting completed? I think the car's been gone since March, so it's been gone quite a while. I presume this Tavarish look take as long as you want. I wonder what it's going to sound like. It's going to sound insane. But fair dues to Dde, they've just been crushing it and putting out some crazy builds lately. I wonder how much their fleet of cars is worth in total. Just popped into my head there. Take a guess in the comments below how much you think the fleet of Dde is worth, because that Huracan Aperta build that they did, I think he said it cost him 450,000 in total. It's one of one. Like, if he used to go to sell that, I'd say the next day he'd nearly double his money on it. So I mean, they've probably got obviously maybe, I think it gets 2.5 million worth of cars, maybe 3. That's just a guess. But yeah, just comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of the F12 build as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Mr. JWW. Just his latest video that came out. He's the director or CEO or something of like a basic PPF company where they clean any car, mostly hypercars and supercars. But he basically covered 3 cars that were in there at the same time. It was an SVJ, an SF90 and Gulf livery GT40. And I was just in awe looking at them, and I was thinking, if you could have any, what would be your 1, 2 and 3 of those cars? I was really stuck between the SF90 and the SVJ, but I'm a pure Lamborghini head, and when I saw Savage Garage do the exhaust system with Gintani and hear that really high pitched V12 sound, I mean, SVJ would be my number 1 pick, the SF90 would be my second, and then the GT40 would be my third. But all 3 of them were stunning. He gave a good close up of the SF90. I don't like the wheels in the SF90. I'm presuming whoever gets one of these cars is I would change out for an aftermarket set of wheels just to make it a bit nicer, but the rest of that car is sweet. So yeah, guys, just said I'd bring it to your attention, so maybe check out his video and comment below what will be your first, second and third of those 3 cars as well. Last up then as well, guys, is going to be Tavarish. So we've got a continuation onto his 675 LT build. He's done a lot of work, him and Jared, on it over the last God knows how long, and put a lot of footage together for us to see what was done. The bottom subframes have been put in, the engine's in, all that kind of stuff, and it's finally after starting, and it sounds awesome. A lot of smoke inside there, but it was all worthwhile. You know, I love Tavarish's channel when he puts in this kind of work and the projects he's done, and this is definitely the biggest one he's done so far. So here's just a quick clip of him starting the 675 LT for you.
Push harder! Come on!
Oh my gosh!
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this build, what you think he'll end up doing with it, or what mods you think he'll do to it when it's finished. Hopefully now we're over the hump and we can get on to getting on the panels and wheels and suspension and all that kind of stuff. Can't wait for him to finish that build as well. It'll be pretty sick. So let me know, guys, what you think of it, and what you think of Tavarish's channel as well. So as I say, it was just a quick one today, guys, to cover the 3 videos I've seen. Longer video tomorrow, so don't forget to vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year. Give it a like, squad, and definitely comment below as well. So until the next episode, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.